Hello everyone, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Uttara. So I'm seeing Greenath, Advik. Advik has joined. Skanda has joined. Kiruba has joined. Okay, fantastic. So welcome you all for the Joy of Sketching course today. Okay, welcome you all. So myself, I'm Muralidharan Nalagar, artist joining from Chennai. Okay, so I enjoyed sketching like you since a small age. So till now I'm sketching, and I did my engineering in Coimbatore. My native is near Dindikkal in Tamil Nadu. Chinnalapatti is my native. So right now, but I'm staying in Chennai right now. So I did my engineering in Coimbatore. I worked in various places for 20 years as an engineer. I love drawing, so now I'm doing lots of drawing. So in Chennai, I started a group called Chennai Weekend Artist in 2012. Every Sunday, anyone interested can join. So we all meet together and we sketch. Then I have done some lot of shows also, and I love teaching, so I'm teaching now. So that is all about me. So you have joined the course Joy of Sketching. Okay, then so I offer various courses uh, to start with joy of sketching, then joy of oil pastel, joy of watercolor, then acrylic painting, all that I teach. So this is all about me. So I like to hear from you one by one. I like you to tell what is your name, where are you joining from, which standard you are studying. Okay, so let's start. Uttara, can you tell about yourself? Where are you joining from? Which study?
Sir?
Yes, Uttara. So where are you joining from, and what standard you are studying?
I'm studying 4th standard, sir.
Fourth standard. Fantastic. So where are you joining from? You are from Chennai?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Very good. So Girinath,
Sir, I'm Girinath. I'm from Colombo, Sri Lanka, and I'm in 10th grade.
10th grade. Okay, fantastic. Okay, very good, Girinath. Skanda,
I'm from Singapore
okay,
and I'm primary 1.
primary one. Okay, fantastic, fantastic. Okay, Advik,
Yes, sir. My name is Advik. I'm joining from Bangalore,
okay,
and my grade is 4th.
fourth grade. Okay,
Yeah.
fantastic, Advik. So I also stayed in Bangalore for some time, maybe for 10 years actually. Okay, so I love Bangalore. Okay, good to have you today. Okay, so can we hear from Anvita? So Anvita still connecting. Um, uh, Anvita has connected. Hi, Anvita. Um,
Sir?
Hi, sir.
so-
Anvita
Hi.
is not, she cannot hear you, sir.
Yeah, no, she said hi now.
Put it in this-
Yeah, she had just joined. Hi, Anvita. So we like to know where are you joining from? Which grade you are in?
Yes, sir. Sir, I'm from 6th grade.
Fifth grade. Okay. Where are you joining from, Anvita?
Sir, Erode, sir.
Erode. Okay, okay, okay. Very good. Okay, Anvita. So another last, the Kritika. Hi, Kritika.
Yes, sir.
Ritika, where are you joining from and which grade you are in?
Sir, I'm 9th grade and I'm from Tuticorin.
Okay, so you are joining from
9th Tuticorin, sir.
Tuticorin. Okay. Okay, fantastic. Now I know all of you. Very, very good. So let's get started. So, I have another camera. I'll show you my drawing sheet. It is good to use a sketchbook, right? So you all might have bought it. So I also have a lot of sketchbooks. That is good, Uttara. Very good. Very good. Sometimes I use executive bond sheets. So that is also very good. Okay. Okay. Then pencil. So when we talk about pencil, um, it is better to use little darker pencils.
Sir, I
Okay.
have darker pencil. Sir.
Okay.
This is darker pencil.
Darker pencil. With some extra dark. I use 4B pencil is also good.
I
Very
did
good.
my dark, sir.
Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. So in the darker pencil, it will be written B. Okay. 2B, 3B, 4B. Okay. B stands for that black. Okay. There is another set of pencil. It is written H. H stands for anyone? H stands for hard actually. Okay. Those pencils are harder actually. Harder. Okay. So you can press it hard. Nothing will happen. But they draw very light. Okay. So generally it is used in the engineering drawing.
Sir,
So an
I
artist.
have HP2, sir.
Okay, very good. Fine. So as an artist, we don't have to use H pencils. Don't use it. If we use H pencil, what happens? It creates some problem in the paper. So in the paper, the textures get spoiled. Over that, we cannot use darker pencil. So better to use darker pencil, something like 4B or 6B. Okay. So if you don't have today, no problem. You use whatever pencil you have today, but you buy 4B pencil or 6B pencil, that you can use it actually. So that will be very good. Um, so whatever we are using, all graphite pencils. There are so many other pencils also. There are charcoal pencils. Okay, there are pastel pencils. Many different pencils. But graphite pencils only we are going to use it. Simple graphite pencil available with us. Okay. So as I said, I have another camera. So I'm going to show what I'm drawing. So you can observe. Generally, I want you to observe first, then follow with me. The drawing, some drawings may be very simple. Then slowly some other drawings, some complex drawings might come. You don't have to worry, okay? You don't have to draw exactly also. Just have fun, okay? So keep practicing. When you practice more and more, your drawing skill will improve. So that is all, okay? Okay, give me a minute. I'll be just back. Okay, I'm just back. Okay, so I'm just setting up. I'm going to change my camera. Okay, so here is my another. The color is little different. Now it is all right. Okay. So what is today? Today it's a class. Just Joy of sketching.
Sir, we have sketching.
Class 1. Okay. What is date? Let me mark the date also.
Sir, we should put joy of sketching.
What, Udra?
Sir, we should put joy of sketching class 1 and the date also.
Not necessary. I mean, you can add it. Why not? So let it be. Okay. So what I was talking about, the Hutch pencils. Okay. Hutch pencils and B pencils. Okay. There are different sets of pencils, Hutch pencil and B pencil. Let's use B pencil, preferably some 4B pencil or 6B pencil. If you use, it will be good for shading and all. Okay. Today, whatever pencil you have, use it. So let's not use the Hutch pencil. Okay. So other thing I like to tell is important thing, the shading. Whenever we can do also shading based on simple lines. Okay, simple lines based. See, I'm going to use these lines. See, I'm just able to draw these parallel lines. We have to practice. Quality of the lines is very important. You have to practice good quality lines. Okay. When I say shading, we can do this kind of shading also. Okay. So within this box, okay, I'm trying to do the shading now. So if I'm doing these uniform lines. So this is giving some kind of some gray tone. If we want darker, so what should I do? I have to do either press hard. Okay, that is one way. Other way is to do second line of second time I'm doing it. When you do second time, then it's going to be darker, obviously, right? So I want you to practice as a homework, practice, make these squares, okay? And practice these uniform lines. So we are looking for line quality. This is one shading, this is two shading. Okay, two shades. So I'm looking for the line quality. You should be able to draw these parallel straight lines. Okay, so whichever paper you get, you can practice them actually. You can practice for the straight lines. In all our drawing, line quality is very important. Okay, the straight line is important. Then the curved, also you can practice the curved line. Okay, you can practice these curved lines. So in this area, I can start making many curved lines. So these lines need not cross each other. I'm just filling this area with curved line. Okay, so these two you can work. You can do some homework in a one page, whole page. You can do the straight lines and curved lines and all that. Okay, you don't have to do now. As a homework, you can do it. In the end of the class, after the class is over, two things I'm going to do. So right now I'm recording this class video. So I'll be sharing this video. Okay, after every class. Also homework. Also I'll be sharing. Okay, you can check the mail. You can also check the WhatsApp. So in mail as well as in WhatsApp, I'm going to share these details. Okay. Okay, so let's start drawing. Before drawing,
This video and
what is your doubt, Putra?
sir, you will upload this video and homework.
Yes, I said, yeah, I'll
Okay,
share the video
in
as well
what,
as.
sir?
Yeah.
What's in email, sir?
You can check your mail and WhatsApp after the class. Okay, then it will have all the details. So if you have a doubt, you can call me. Okay, fine. So now let us continue. So the basic shapes are important. So all the drawings, what I'm going to do based on very simple basic shape. What is the simple basic shape? Circle is a simple basic shape. So this is not a perfect circle, but can be an oval also. Okay, so the oval is a basic shape. Based on the oval, I'm going to do a lot of then simple triangle, even simple rectangle, Okay, so all these basic shapes, based on that, I'm going to draw. Okay, so that's very important. Simple, using basic shape, we can draw. Okay, every drawing we can make using simple basic shapes. Okay, so I'm going to draw now. Just observe this. Okay, just observe this. Then after that, when I say start drawing, you can draw. Okay, so now I'm going to draw. So the rats are very interesting subject for any artist. So we have Tom and Jerry, we have so many subjects. So I'm going to make a simple sketch of a rat. So I'm trying to draw a oval. I'm making light lines. Okay, it's very important. I'm making light lines. I'm not making darker lines. So I just make this oval. See, it need not be perfect. Just make something like this. Then after that, this is the head. It is looking up. Okay, looking up for the head. I'm making a triangle like this. Okay, I just did a oval. I did a triangle. Now I'm going to make this. This also looks like another oval. This is for 1 year, and maybe one more line for another year after this face line. Okay, so this simple shape, with this simple shape, you should be able to do it, right? I can make the eye also a round and a dot. Okay, so simple. And for the mouth, I can make this line, right? Then for the legs, so it is sitting, and I just make another curve like this. Then this is leg. The two legs, one like this, another one more line, and these kind of bubbles, 1 2 3, some 2 3 bubbles you can make it. So that is all. So this is done, right? The tail you can draw as you like. So I'm drawing like this. You can also draw like this. So anyway, as you like, you can draw. Okay, so one hand here and another hand in the other side. Okay, now we can start drawing. Make this simple oval. So this, so far I have not made darker line. Okay, now my drawing looks okay for me. So if it is something wrong, I can erase it. So all the lighter lines what we make, I call them the guiding lines. So you look at this, the oval is coming inside the ear also, right? So that I can erase it. Okay, the oval comes in the face also, that I can erase it. See, with the darker pencil, what happens is you can erase it very easily. And in the back, I see some double lines, that also I can erase it. And make simple line. Okay, so this drawing is a simple one. We are learning the approach, how to draw. Take your time, just make the drawing, then you can show it to me. And as I said, do not worry about making mistakes. So I make one more line also in the ear. Okay, so almost my drawing is over. What I'm doing, I'm making the lines a little darker now. Making the lines darker now. So with your pencil, you should try to make light lines, then you should try to make darker lines also. Once we complete, we will draw the almost same rat again. In the nose, I'm making it a small circle and making it darker. Okay. Some hair also I'm adding near the nose. Okay, so I'll wait for you to complete. You can complete and just show me. So I'm going to have some water and come back. Okay, just I'll be back. Okay, who has finished? No? So as I said, you can make mistakes, don't worry. So I also encourage you to make some quicker drawings. So we'll sketch this again. We'll sketch another rat from the movie Ratatouille. Then we'll make a Kung Fu Panda also.
Sir, I
Yes.
completed.
Show me, Anmita. Just a minute. Show me again. Okay, perfect. Nalla irukku. Very good.
Sir,
Very good.
sir,
Yes.
I've done drawing.
Okay, Skanda, finished up. Okay, show me, Skanda. Okay, show me complete. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Just note this, Skanda. Look at this. This knee is coming back like this. Okay, just you have to observe this. That is all. Okay, and look at this line. This line is coming like this till here. right? These two things you need to note and correct. Okay, good sketch you have done. Just you have to correct this one and you have to correct this one. Okay, good.
Sir, I finished.
Okay, Greenath, show me. Okay, Greenath, நல்லா இருக்கு. So this in the knee, the leg, right? So this can come back behind a little bit. Okay. So for you, it is right in the center of the body, right? It is there. Little bit it can come back. Otherwise, the ear and the rest, all the things are fine. What's happening, Uttara?
Sir, I finished, sir.
Show me. Uttara, Advik, Kritika. Okay, Uttara நல்லா பண்ணிருக்கீங்களே. Very good. Okay,
Thank
Uttara,
you,
very
sir.
good. Perfect. So Advik and Kritika.
Sir,
Kritika, if you
Sir,
have
I
finished.
finished.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
Show me, Kritika. Okay, நல்லா இருக்கு. Perfect. Okay, good work. Yeah. Okay, so I'm waiting to see from Advik.
Sir,
Yes, Advik. Okay, super. Very good.
thank you,
Okay,
sir.
Advik. The leg can be little bigger, Advik. Okay, so you're
Okay,
drawing
sir.
very good. Leg can be a little bigger. Okay, that is
Okay,
all.
sir.
That's all. So you all made it very nicely. So any bigger and complex drawings will be based on this only. This we have to do it correct. Now I'm going to do the same rat. Second time I'm going to draw, but this time it is going to keep the head down, right? Keep the head down and it's going to sniff around, go around, and it is going to do some sniffing. Okay, so how do we do it? So this body, so observe this body, I'm going to draw the body like this, but this time I'm going to do shading also we are going to do. Okay, so I'm making this oval as usual. So you know how to do this. This is simple oval for the body. Now the face, I'm going to keep it down. So how do I design, how do I do it? So this is the front tip of the face, and then it is going to, you have to observe now. Okay, then look at this. Now I'm making this triangle, the face is down, right? It is going to sniff around something. So this is the body, and what next? The eyes and mouth we need to draw. So here let's make the eyes very big like this. I'm making it very big like this, making it very big. The mouth is here and the ears are as usual, they are also bigger like this. This is one ear and going to be another ear here. Okay, and one more small circle also I do here, for that is for the another eye. Okay, then so let me make this curve. This is for the leg, and as look at this, I'm keeping this leg longer like this. Okay, this curve, then the front part of the leg is going like this. So this is how we are drawing this rat, and so you can make some designer curve for the tail. Okay. So now this oval line, initially what I draw, that is going inside the ear. I'm just erasing that. Okay. So now I say what I said is we are going to do some shading, some better shading. Okay. Maybe you should sketch this. Then after that, just watch how I'm going to do the eye. Right. So I'm going to do here separately and show you. You don't have to do this. Look at this. This is the eye. Even for the human eye and other eyes also, we are going to do like this. In the middle, I'll make it full dark. So in the middle, I make a circle and make it full dark like this. Okay. Then we need a highlight. So here is a highlight. One small circle I'm making, that is a highlight. Rest all the area, I'm going to do some light shading. Okay, so I'm doing some light shading. So this is how we make this eyeball, right? For even human as well as for the animal. This is what. Now the same thing I'm going to do here. Make the middle part darker and make a small circle for the highlight. Then rest of the places I'll do some mild shading, not dark shading. That is all. Look at this, eye is looking very real and it's looking good. Okay. So this you should be able to draw easily. Then, so what next? We need to do the shading. Shading based on lines. Shading based on simple lines I'm going to do. Shading based on simple lines I'm going to do. So for that, for the whole body, I'm going to make lots of lines. Look at this. These lines are hairs, right? So these lines are in this direction. So first set of lines I do, which is uniform in the body of this animal. The first set of lines. So I've done first set of lines. Now some places I want to make it darker. So which places? Which places? So inside the ear, I want to make it darker like this. So again, second set of lines, darker lines I'm doing. Then this below the leg here, in the back side, I want to make it a little darker. Then this below body here, I want to make it darker like this. That's all. This drawing is over. Okay, it's very easy to get the shading tones based on simple lines like this. Okay, start drawing. Okay, you can draw and ask me if you have any questions. So the hair also I'm going to draw in the nose. Some more hair line for the other ear also I'll add it. Okay, so that is all. So we made another sketch. It is based on the same thing, but this time we did shading. Shading, blending, shading, you can do it. But this is simple based on the line. Simple lines, you can do shading. So after finishing, you can show it to me.
Sir,
Yes, Kanda.
I finished the drawing.
Oh, very good. Show it to me. Okay. Okay, see, the ear has to come closer to the eye, closer to the face, right? So maybe you should draw that again actually. Erase it and draw this ear. The ear starts close to the eye, right? So that is only that is the correction. Try to do that, Skanda. Okay.
Sir, finished the drawing.
Anvita, tell me, you like to show?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, I like the eyes. Legs, how about the legs? Legs has to be a little bigger actually. Otherwise, it's all right. I like the eyes. And shade also you have to do. Shade also you have to do. The second darker line you have to do. That inside the ear you have to do. And also below the body you have to do. Have you done that? Maybe because of the pencil it is not very dark, or it is shining in the light actually. But I see that eyes are darker, so that is correct. So now I can see properly. The below the body you have to do second line so that it is darker. Okay, that is all. So you have done very nice. Good work. Just make this darker below the body. Skanda finished. So you made the correction for the ears. Did you?
Sir, I'm doing it.
Okay, okay. Where is the other legs? So we have not shown other legs. Maybe it's very small, maybe inside, right? But still we can, if you want, you can add it like
Sir, I
this.
finished.
So show me. So Uttara is showing. Okay, nice pencil. It's quite dark and good. So is it looking reverse? Okay, how did you draw that? Okay, looks good, looks good. some second line you have to do it so that you can make it darker. But it is very interesting to see that your rat is looking to the right side, right? My rat is looking to the left side. Good.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
good, good.
can draw it. I can't draw it to the left side, so I draw.
Fine, fine, fine. Okay, good. And now first set of lines you did right. So those lines, the lines need not be darker, but second set of lines can be darker like this. Okay.
Sir, can I show my one?
Yes, Girinath. Okay, shading is good, eyes are good, a leg is longer. Okay, everything is good. Everything is good. So looks like your pencil is little lighter actually, right? Are you using HB pencil or 2B pencil?
Sir, I'm using 2B.
2B, okay, okay. Okay, good. And try to use a 4B or 6B from next class, okay? Okay, good, good.
Sir,
Show me, Kritika. Okay, it is good. Ears are good. Okay. The leg can be little thin actually, but it is all right. Okay, Kritika, good. I'm seeing from Anvita also. Okay, Anvita, very good. Nalla irukku. Good work.
sir, I'm done.
Okay, show me Advik. Okay, now it is looking perfect.
Sir, I
Okay,
also put the
so
hand.
Advik.
Sir, I also
Okay, just wait. So Advik, the one. So this now it is looking very good. For this leg, so I drew this line, this some circular line, right? So you can yeah, this line also you can draw.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay, sir.
with that it is done. Yeah. Okay, I'm seeing from Uttara. Okay, Uttara. Shading நல்லா இருக்கு. And the first set of lines you have drawn, so on the lines வந்து கொஞ்சம் லைட்டா இருக்கலாம். Okay, just keep in mind, otherwise it is all right. Drawing looks all good to me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, so we have seen from all. Very good. So now I'm going to do one more sketch. And who has seen the movie Ratatouille?
Sir, I have.
Ratatouille, you know?
Yes,
That
sir.
ra-
Me too. I also know.
So,
Sir, can I write?
yeah. So what does this rat does? So this rat sits on the head of a person and pulls the hairs and try to control the person
Good.
as a chef.
Control the
This
person
rat
who
loves
was
cooking.
in the kitchen.
Yes. Loves cooking, so enjoys. So after he makes the first dish and he's waiting for the critic and he's keeping fingers crossed like this. Okay. And so I'm going to quickly draw that. So don't worry about the mistakes. You can also draw this. Okay. So let's make this drawing, simple drawing. Um, See, I'm making lighter lines. It's very important to make lighter lines. So this for the head. It's very important. Make lighter lines. This is for the head, and this is for the body. That's the head, and this is the body. Maybe we can draw this a little faster, okay? Let's increase the speed.
Sir,
Yes?
I finished my corrections.
Okay, okay, show me. Mm. Okay, okay, good, good. So now we can see the leg and it is looking good. Okay, Skanda. Start this drawing. So for the head, I did a circle, and for the body, I did this oval. So these all lighter lines, right? So let's make the eye, or maybe we can make the nose first. For the nose, I'm making simple line like this, longer nose, and so here it is coming like this. Okay, then I make a simple line here for the mouth. The front of the nose, let's make this darker. For all the animals, most of the animals, we make it darker like this. So make this nose first. So it is, what you have to remember is, you have to start with the bigger shape. Okay. So the head and the body, the bigger shape. Then after that, nose is the next bigger shape, nose, ears, and all. Then we can draw the eyes also like this. Here is one eye, and here is another eye. Little cartoonic eye. So don't worry if mistakes are done. So it's all right. So we practice more and more. Then after that, we understand the problem. In the center, I make this. Then let's make the ear as usual. The ear is bigger actually. Okay. So you can draw along with me, right? Okay. So hope you are drawing now. Okay. So making this ear a little bigger like this. So I'm drawing slow. So you can try to draw a little faster also. So I have made another drawing, okay, of this ratatouille, and that is going to be homework for you. So I have a video for that, and that I'll be sharing after the class. Now for the head, in the top, I can make it something like a hair. See these lines, I make it something like hair. Some I've tried to simplify it. Okay. So like this, any drawing you make, you try to simplify it for you so that it is very simple for you. Okay. It is perfectly all right to simplify whatever you draw. So you make it very simple and draw it for you. So nothing is complex for you. Okay. Now this neck, for the neck, I'm making this line and making another line here. This body line. This left side, it is like this. Right side, I will make it later. So I can make the legs like this. This is one line, and here is another line. And here also we can make, so I make this for one feet leg. This is another one. This is a tongue. This is at an angle. So it is fingers crossed. So so always we can make this simple line first. Simple line for planning. Like this, this. Then I make another line and finish the hand. How do you finish it? For the fingers, simply do this 3 rounds. So that is good enough. This is for the fingers. So let's make the tail, and so I can make it like this. It is thicker to start with, then it becomes very thin. Okay, so that is all. So this is how it is sitting inside the cap. Now some shading I like to give. All other lines, you can make it darker like this. Leg in the bottom, here I'm trying to do these lines. Generally, these animals, the stomach, the tummy is bright actually. Somehow that is how they do it, all the designers. So I'm just the tummy alone, I'm going to do this line. Rest all the places I'm going to do the shading, simple shading, like the line based shading I'm going to do. Simple lines I'm going to
Sir,
add
is
it.
this a Ratatouille the mouse?
Yeah, the Ratatouille mouse, I've simplified it for you and
Sir,
trying to
can
draw.
I show my?
Yeah. So I'm going to show one more for your homework how it is going to be. So let's complete this, then I will do that. Let's complete this. So look at this, I'm trying to give some shading, and it is based on simple lines. I'm trying to do the shading. So except the eye, keep the eye lighter. So this is sitting inside the cap, sitting on top of a head of a person. How do we draw the head of the person? Maybe I'll draw line like this. So I'm just made a line like this. Okay, this is head of a person. Head. So quickly, I'm going to show you the homework. Look at this. So this is going to be your homework. Look at this. So it is standing in the Paris. It is looking at the Eiffel Tower. It is holding the spoon, right? So it is having fun there. So the same fellow. And it is a line-based shading I've done. So you can see the video, pause the video and slowly see and work on this homework. Okay, so now continue this sketch.
Sir, this is the homework that one you showed.
Yeah, yes, yes.
It's too difficult, sir.
Okay. Okay, very nice. Uttara has completed the sketch. Looking good, Uttara. The nose has become a little thin actually, but that's all right. The overall shape of the animal is very good. Good work.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so others finish and show it to me. The next we'll do Kung Fu Panda. So Anvita. Okay. Good. Nalla irukku, Anvita. Very good.
Thank you.
Very good. Note the second line. For the ears, I make another line here actually. It is like this. Even for the human ear, all the ears, it is like this. Just note this. Okay, Anvita, you corrected it. Nice. Okay, good. Yeah.
Sir,
Yes, Sutra?
the picture that you showed the Rajapuli, sir,
Yeah.
that one you will share in the email.
That video I'll be sharing in the email as well as in the WhatsApp. Link to the video I'll be
That
sharing.
drawing, sir, you showed.
What is it? In the video, you can see the drawing. You can
Okay,
follow
sir.
the video and you can draw.
Okay, sir.
There is one more homework also in the Kung Fu Panda. There are two homeworks, and so you can see if you can do, then it will be good. So that may be little.
Sir, that drawing is next class only, sir.
Which drawing?
The Kung Fu Panda.
No, Kung Fu Panda. Now we are going to draw. So class is there till 6:30, right? So it is only 6 now.
Sir, can you check my work?
Yes.
In next class, sir.
Next class we will draw something else. Okay. Okay. Good, Greenath. Good. Ears are good. Okay, nalla irukku. Nice. The legs can be thinner actually. Okay, that's all. These two lines we have drawn that can be a little thin actually. Okay, good work. So who else need to complete?
Sir,
Yes, Kritika, show me. Okay, nalla irukku. So I think nose has become smaller for most of you, but it's all right actually. So good. So this is how we should do it. Very good. So we start from the bigger shape and then add small details. Then it's going to be good. That is all. Okay, so so I need to see from Advik and
Sir?
Skanda. Yes, Skanda.
I drew
Ah,
it.
okay, okay. Show me, show me. Okay, superb. Very nice, very nice. Very nice. Good work. The hands, you can make it a little darker
Thank
actually.
you, sir.
Lines for the hand is light. You can make it a little darker. That is all. Okay. You can do it later
Okay, sir.
actually. Now let's do the next drawing. Good work.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay, Advik. So you can also try to draw a little faster. So don't worry about the mistakes.
Sir, done.
Ah, okay. Show me. Okay, good, good. Okay, hands, legs are good, eyes are good. Okay, good, Advik. The neck. Okay, this round face, but I do the neck here. It is like this actually, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yeah. So that, yeah. So that only small correction. So keep that in mind. That's all. Okay, very good. Let's do the Kung Fu Panda. So last drawing for the day. Let's do the Kung Fu Panda. So I'm going to do making a circle first. See, my circle is not perfect. No problem actually. So I draw light. Now again I draw. Just try to correct it a little bit. Okay, so this is good enough. So this is for the head. This is for the head and body. Body is very big. So at least so double of the size. So look at this for the body. I'm going to make a bigger circle like this. It also looks like a Talayati Bommai. Right. So the body is bigger like this. This also looks like a Tanjore doll. This is head and this is body. And you know what? This fellow is going to do the Kung Fu. In one of the, mostly you all might have seen the movie. So in the middle, I'm trying to draw a line. This for the legs. So just do this. So what you have to keep in mind is look at the basic simple shapes I do. And I always start from the bigger shape. So when you do this correctly, then adding all the details is very easy. Oh, he has spread his legs under. In the movie, he will be standing in a wall, but we are going to make him fly. Okay, so just do this. So I draw this line. I draw this line for the leg. Then I just bring it to the center like this. bring it to the center like this. So his legs are spread like this. So in the end, I can draw a shoe like this. So this is his shoe. So this is his shoes. Let me try to make it both of equal size. For the leg, I'm trying to make the lines thicker. These guiding lines I can erase. The line which is coming in the middle of the body, leg lines, which is not needed. So that I can erase. So you should practice to draw light lines, then dark lines, okay? So we have to add details in the face, then so then we'll be adding. This is going to hold a bowl, and that bowl will be full of what? What is his favorite food?
Bamboo, sir.
Bamboo. But in this movie, he'll be. What is it? That white stuff?
The dumpling.
Dumplings, right? Dumplings. Okay. So that we are going to make here. So this is a simple bowl. This bowl has those dumplings. So it's like Laddu Ganesha. We can relate to. Okay, so now I am not drawing this fully now. First, we have to finish the. Okay, so otherwise, simple lines we can draw. So like for the hand, I can draw a simple line. Okay, like this. Okay, so this is one hand. Is going to hold this. I make this line. Look at this. This hand is bigger like this. And I can make the fingers can be made very easy like this 1, 2, and 3 like this. One more hand can come like this. So I'm trying to draw from the bigger to smaller shapes. So that way you will get the proportions correctly. So this another hand. So for this another hand also, the fingers you can draw. Easily you can draw. So he's going to have those ticks. Okay.
Sir, the face.
Okay, Uttara, you completed, right? Okay. So here I'm going to make some lighter lines. Okay, for the nose and mouth, generally we can abstract them with a simple shape like this. The round shape you can do, round or oval shapes you can do for the nose and the mouth. So this is not a darker line. You have to use lighter line. Okay, lighter line. For the nose and mouth, so I'm going to draw the eyes above this. So I'm making 2 lines like this. So I'm going to make 2 lines. Then there is a curve, right? This is, the eye seems to be darker actually for this panda, but eyeball in the middle I can draw. Okay, so make this curve. Then let me make another curve in the other side, the right and left. So make this curve. Then in the middle, I can draw this small circle for the eye. In the middle, keep a dot, keep a dot. This line also, I can make it dark like this. Then this close to this eye. So here we can make this the ears also. So this panda. So right side as well as in the left side. Okay, then nose and mouth we have to do. And see these eye and the ear, these we can make these lines and we can make them darker. It's kind of shading we can do. Look at this. Some shading this for the eye. Shading for the eye and the ear. Okay, making nose is simple. A simple curve. So I did a simple curve like this. Nose is little stronger. I make another curve. The whole thing I'm going to make it darker. The whole thing I'll make it dark. So this is nose. Simplified nose. Mouth, you know how to make it. A simple smiley kind of line. Same curve. Okay, and this is the mouth. Maybe so in the middle, here I make a line here and I make another line. So this looks like mouth. Between nose and mouth, couple of some dots I'm trying to keep. Then now we can go on and make the line for the head darker. Also making the line for the hand also darker. I make the bowl also darker. So this round shape for the tummy also we can make it darker. It's having big tummy. So generally the belly is lighter for these cartoon characters. That's how they design. So I'm going to give some shading in the upper part of the body. So I can I start giving the shadings. So making these lines. Shading based on simple lines. That is what we are seeing in the whole class. So how to approach based on basic shapes we have done. These, when you are shading these uniform lines, okay, so that they are very important. They have to be quite uniform, and then that adds to the your drawing will look very good. Quality of the drawing will be very, very good. Okay, all fine. So in the pant also I'm going to make some design. You can give simple shading in the pant, or you can also do some design. So I'm trying to do some design like this. Maybe these lines you can do. These designs you can do any kind of design as you like. Okay. Uh, I'm simply giving a design based on simple line based design I'm trying to give. Some design. Okay. So if you want, you can give some different design for the pant. Shoe also, some lines in the shoe, some designs in the shoe I'm trying to do. Okay, so how he is flying now? Okay, Uttara, looks good, looks good. We are not yet finished, not yet finished. Just wait. So we'll make him fly. In the original movie, there is a wall, the right side and left side. Okay, but what we are going to do, so let's add some balloons. Okay, so here is some balloons. So I'm going to add some balloons. Okay, so one balloon. So you can add many balloons. So based on what you think, how many balloons needed so that he can float in the air. There's another balloon, another balloon. Maybe simply I'll add these curves above so to look like more balloons. I just simply added some curves. Just add few more lines. The same way, in the same place, the other side also. Okay, so yes, I'm going to add these lines. Lines for the balloons. He's flying in the air. Little bit of shadow can be done for these balloons also. One side of the balloon I can give these lines of shading. One side of the balloon I can give these lines of shading. Okay. So I'm making the drawing a little smaller because so since he is flying very high, okay, so I'm going to draw some mountains in the bottom simply. Okay, just making some mountains in the bottom. I just made some mountains, need not be exactly same. You can draw whatever you like. Simple some mountains and maybe a river. Maybe a river and maybe some trees like this. See, some bushes can be there like this. For these bushes also, I can give some shading like this to look like some trees. Okay, maybe I can add some trees like this, palm trees also. So 1, 2. The other important thing, what I'm going to add is there are some clouds also. So he's flying above the cloud. So this is only one cloud I have added. So this simple line-based shading can be done, so which will make your drawing very good. Okay, this is good enough. I'm going to draw a small bird which is going to sit on top of his head. Right, so this is my bird. So I call it as a cuckoo bird. What is this bird? So this bird is nothing but artist. Whosoever draws that bird, it is your bird. It is you, right? So this bird is me. So I want to sit there. The simple bird I'm drawing. This is our cuckoo bird. The cuckoo is you. So our respect and love for the nature comes from this bird. So I'm done with this drawing. So once you finish, then you can show it to me. So I'll wait for 5 minutes or 10 more minutes. I'll wait. And so as I said, there are 4 courses. The kids, after completing 4 courses, they join monthly classes. Okay, so that generally happens on Thursday. Okay, so this Thursday, it's going to be a sketching class. So if you are interested, you can join this Thursday. And that is
Sir,
a
Monday
little.
and Thursday, sir. Monday and Thursday.
No. Next class is next Monday. Okay, that is all. But this only this Thursday, it's going to be an extra class. So that is for advanced sketching class. So if you're interested, you can join. It is advanced sketching class. Okay. If you have time and if you have interest, you can freely join. Same meeting link. Okay.
Finished, sir.
Okay, show me. Okay, I like all the trees. The river is flowing nicely. Very good, very good. Balloons are nice. Bird also, I see that. Okay, fantastic. Good work, Putra. Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I have to show you the homework also. The homework might appear little complex, but don't worry about it. Just try. So the second homework is this. So this is Kung Fu Panda and Tigress. So they both are standing there. This also has a video, and just try. Okay, just
Sir,
try.
can you show me the first homework?
First homework, okay. So this is the first homework. Ratatouille at Paris. Okay.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, Chandra?
finished drawing.
Show me, show me. Let's see all the balloons and okay, very good, very good. The balloons can be little taller actually, but it is all right. I like the face. Ears, you made it bigger actually, so that's also nice. Okay, I like the legs, the way it is flying. Legs also good. Mountains also good. Good work. Very good. Good work, Skanda.
Thank you, sir.
Fantastic. Okay. So next class is next Monday, same time, but only for this week there is a extra class, and if you are interested, you can join on Thursday. So I'll send these details in the WhatsApp, also in the mail. You can read the details in that.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's 6:35, sir.
Yes, we are. If you have shown the classwork, you can leave. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We are done with the class. Today's class is over. We are done with the class. So I'm seeing from
Sir, I'm
Advik.
done, sir.
Okay,
Okay, Advik is good. Good work,
bye,
Advik.
sir.
Thank
The
you,
trees and
sir.
mountains are good. Very good.
Sir,
Okay, let me stop
Sir, can
recording.
I leave?